The engine oil filter is a key part of protecting your engine and should not be taken lightly. Proper oil pressure coming out of the oil filter is needed by the engine control system that regulates power output. Reduced oil pressure resulting from a dirty oil filter may result in an indicator light illuminating in the instrument panel. Particles get trapped in the oil as the oil passes through the engine. These particles are primarily particles from mechanical wear. As the oil flows through the oil filter, large and small particles are caught in the filter material and removed from the oil. As the filter material becomes saturated with particles, the filter becomes less effective at protecting your engine. Dirty oil can cause premature wear to engine bearings and rotating surfaces. To demonstrate the superior performance of Acura Genuine Oil Filter, we tested the Acura Genuine Oil Filter and aftermarket oil filters in 2010 and 2015. All filters tested fit the same vehicle. Once the filter reaches maximum particle saturation, the oil filter can no longer keep the oil clean. The time it takes the oil filter to reach maximum saturation is called the life of the filter. The life of the aftermarket oil filters tested ranged from 31% to 83% of the life of the Acura Genuine Oil Filter. An aftermarket oil filter may or may not last between recommended oil changes. Aftermarket filters may need to be replaced more often than the Acura Genuine Oil Filter, costing you more time and money. The pressure limit is the amount of pressure the oil filter can handle before it begins to leak. The aftermarket oil filters tested ranged from 66% to 100% of the genuine oil filter pressure limit. No one could handle greater pressure than the Acura Genuine Oil Filter. Another area where the Acura Genuine Oil Filter excels is very cold weather. Cold temperatures can increase oil pressure during startup. Of the oil filters tested, one aftermarket filter leaked during the low temperature test. Although oil filters look the same, they come in various sizes and specifications. Honda and Acura Genuine Oil Filters are marked Honda. An Acura Genuine Oil Filter is made to perfectly fit your vehicle to help protect your engine from potential harmful contaminants and prevent leakage. Only your Acura dealer can provide you the correct Acura Genuine Oil Filter and oil pan bolt crush washer for your vehicle. When changing the oil filter, remember that the aluminum crush washer must also be replaced. For peace of mind and maximum engine protection, use only an Acura Genuine Oil Filter and follow Acura service interval recommendations found in the owner's manual. Acura Genuine Parts, designed for your Acura and available at your Acura dealer.